Okay, time to talk about Cookie Run Bravers featuring the Hound deck. Okay, I'm just gonna say this deck may not be the strongest, may not be the most meta breaking, but this is the most fun. Oh my god, I used this deck with my friend just the other night, and oh my gosh, the damaging. So basically, all you have to do is summon a bunch of dogs, kill them, and just throw them to the trash so they won't count to the brick. Oh my god! So basically, you'll put down a red velvet, and then put down a hound like so. And I'm just gonna grab a stage real quick. All you, the place like this. You pay one energy, kill, press this, kill the cake hound, cake wolf rather, and then pay one energy. Put this in the trash and deal one damage. And it's because of this fucker's effect, once per turn, if your cookie fainted during the turn, you deal one damage to another cookie of your opponent. And wait, there's more. You can do it again. And this time, you attack with red velvet, kill this, and then deal the 3 damage, pay another 1 energy, and then throw him out to deal another 1. Oh my god, this is so fun. But don't get me started with this guy. So basically, what he does is he revives a cookie. So pay 1 energy once per turn. I summon the cake wolf from the trash, and then I use the Tower of Sweet Chaos to knock it out again. To pay another one, and oh my god. So basically, this setup is the best one. Cake Monster Army with the Tower of Sweet Chaos along with Cake Wolf, so you can deal continuous damage each turn. So as always, pay 1 energy, summon the wolf, deal 1 damage to a cookie, and then knock him out again with the stage. Now, put him in the break, your turn, and then grab the cookie, rather cake, deal 1 damage again. So it's it's an endless loop. So as I have said, this is not the greatest deck. This is not the strongest deck. It's the most fun. Also, there's also this one. It's a strawberry shortcake cookie. So just what you're gonna do is just take the 1 HP of the cookie you have, and then play 1 energy, bang, and then deal 1 damage. That's about it. Oh my god, this is. And as you have seen here, I have a lot of cake. This is my biggest question. Does this guy count as cake hound? He's a werewolf, for crying out loud. So in any case, if this is your setup, just keep him alive. Put all of your traps on this guy right here. Well, anyways, there you go. So, anyways, that's about it. These guys are the best in terms of fun. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I opened up 4 booster boxes. Only got one of this. I was aiming for about 2 or 3, but nope. And one momento. So basically, my build is for Cake Wolf for the damage, obviously, and for Pomegranate Cake Hound just for the draw power. The and Choco Cake Hound for the HP for healing. So I can use it for either Red Velvet or the Cake Monster Army to heal them up just in case. And Pomegranate Cake Shaman. So if I don't have any other Cake Wolf, I can just sacrifice this and then summon him back in my field. And that's about it. Thanks for watching this video and have a good one.